why your site might be hurting you on social media if you have a business. If you're doing this one thing, I'm going to jump into it. And look, I was inspired to share this because a business partner of mine initially shared this, okay? This was an issue that I used to do. I used to do this exact thing, and this is one of the reasons why I learned that my more eyes was starting to diminish on my content, right? Especially leveraging Facebook. And what am I talking about? Posting your links. You don't want to do that. And I have a few reasons why you don't want to do that, especially on Facebook. This will help you out a lot because look, what do we all want to do? We want to be able to reach more people, right? Help more people, right? You can't help more people if they aren't seeing your posts. Okay, what's going on? Jay Glove in the house one time in the rhyme. What up, man? What up? You know what I'm saying? So guys, check it out. If you get a second, let me know where you are where you watching this from. Okay, what city, what state, what have you, or the closest city to you. Represent your city. You know what I'm saying? Rep. So guys, that's the key. You know what I'm saying? Why you don't want to post your links. So let's go ahead and pop off with this real quick. Okay. So the first thing, look, when people come over, if you have a product, if you have a service, or if you have an offer, and if they come onto your timeline and they see your offer or whatever it is that you are sharing with your audience, if they see a bunch of links on your posts, what that will do is that's going to push people away, right? And here's the thing. It's going to push them away because they won't want to connect with you because they feel like, okay, if I connect with this person, what is this person going to do? They're 9 times out of 10, they're going to pitch me their offer. It's like you going into a clothing store or you going to a dealership, right? Those things, I think they're starting to diminish more and more, but it's like you going into a dealership, right? And what does a salesperson do? It's like they're waiting for you. They're watching you if you're out in the lot and you're checking out specific cars. And if you ever had that salesperson come out to you, hey, can I help you? What do you say? Nah, I'm cool. I'm just looking. They say, well, cool. I'll be right over here if you need me. And some of them, I had some that continue to pressure you kind of, and they're going to run you off, all the more, right? So that's what links on your posts would do. This is basic stuff, but I wanted to take the time to share this with you. This will push people away. They won't want to connect with you. And they will get that impression that you're just like that type of salesperson that's going to keep, hammering you about, getting a sale. That's the first impression that people get when they come over to your timeline and they see links, okay? The second thing is this. Facebook, based off of its algorithms, that's a fancy word or what have you. Based off of the algorithms that they have, they will get the indication. If you have a link in your post, Facebook itself, it will not show your post to the people that you want to get out there. It'll be very, very, very limited to the people that Facebook will be willing to show your post to. Now, understand this. There's a reason behind that because the Facebook wants you to stay on the platform. Going to a link that will take people off of the platform, right? So you want more eyes on your posts, right? And another thing, when you're posting on social media, here's the thing that you want to do. Based off of the content, your posts, you want to be able to post in such a way that your post is a bridge to get a conversation started, whereas a link is just cutting all the, basically trying to quantum leap from A to Z. just skipping the whole thing in between, everything in between. And it's that which is between is which is the most important thing, right? That's where that everything in between is where the know, like, trust factor, comes into play. That's where you have that relationship, okay? So when you post the right type of post on Facebook, right, or whatever social media a platform that you are leveraging, this is what happens, all right? You can use that as a bridge to get a conversation started. And with that conversation, that's when you could start to get that rapport, get the, just, and it could be like pretty much direct to the point. You don't have to, cut, you can almost cut to the chase kind of, okay? When you're talking to them, you use your offer as the solution to the problem that they are having. Okay, Scott Mayfield, how are you doing? What's up, man? Hope you are doing good. Glad you have taken the time out to join. What is up, man? You know what I'm saying? So that's the deal. That's the deal, guys. That is exactly what you want to do. Those links will push people away. You want to post in such a way that you do what? You incite people's interest. Okay, this person has something that enticed me. I'm interested in. So let me ask them what it is that they are talking about. So if you have a product, you don't want to share what it is, share the benefits of it. To the point where you can get a conversation where they can message you and ask you, hey, what is it, that you use to be able to gain that muscle mass? Something that you added, okay, whatever it may be, or something that you added to your diet or that you drank to help you to lose that weight, or something that you added that decreased your travel expenses or what have you, okay? You want to have curiosity in your posts. Posting links, what that is like I just shared, it's like going from A to Z. You going straight in, guys, and you're pushing people away, and you don't want to do that. So, guys, I got to get ready to end this. I'm about to head out. Got to get some things together because, like I said, my son and they're coming down, and the baby and his wife, they're coming down, and I'm excited about that, pumped up, and everything. So got to go out and get a few things and stuff, want to make sure that they're comfortable while they are here. So guys, if I said anything that enticed you, that you may have some questions, and if you would like to know more about this, just connect with me, inbox me, and I can shoot you over some information that will be more thorough for you to understand.